hello. The name for this story is A Noise in the Night. A noise in the night. Noise is something very loud, a sound very loud. Okay? And night is the opposite of day. Okay? We have night is the opposite of day. Okay? So, a noise in the night. Okay, in this story there was a boy and his name was David. This is David. And one day David was sleeping okay. We'll do it bigger. He was sleeping in his bed and suddenly all of a sudden, like this, okay, suddenly he heard a noise, a very big noise. He heard a noise and he woke up very surprised. He woke up, he sat on the bed, so he sat on the bed, okay, and he said, "What's that?" What's that? Okay? What's that? And he walked to the kitchen. Okay? And in the kitchen he saw David saw a table, David saw a chair, and David saw a fridge where you put the food and the food is cold, okay? A fridge. And on top of the fridge, not on the bottom, on top of the fridge, he saw his father. His dad was sleeping on top of the fridge. And David said, "Dad, what are you doing? Go to bed." Go to bed. Normal people, don't sleep on top of a fridge. Normal people sleep in a bed. Okay? So go to bed. And his dad, he woke up. He walked to the bed. He walked to the bed. And then David, he also went to his bed and fell asleep. Okay? But after a while, suddenly, David heard a very big noise. And David woke up and said, "What's that? What's that?" And he walked to the kitchen and saw a table, saw a chair, and saw a fridge. But his dad, David's dad, was not on the fridge. So David walked to the bathroom. Okay? And in the bathroom, David saw a toilet. The toilet. He saw a shower, and he saw the bathtub. Okay? And in the bathtub, he saw his dad, David's dad, sleeping. So David's dad was sleeping in the bathtub. And David said, "Daddy, what are you doing? Go to bed. Normal people don't sleep in a bathtub. Normal people sleep on a bed. So go to bed." And David's dad woke up and he walked to the bed and he fell asleep. David also walked to the bed and fell asleep also. Okay? After a while, suddenly David heard a big noise and he woke up very excited and he said, "What's that?" David said, "What's that?" And he walked to the kitchen. He saw the table, he saw the chair, and he saw the fridge. But no one, his dad, was not sleeping on the fridge. Then David walked to the bathroom and he saw the toilet, he saw the bathtub, and he saw the shower. But his dad was not in the bathtub. So David walked to the next room. He walked to the living room. And in the living room, he saw a sofa and he saw a big TV, a big television, and on top of the television his dad was sleeping. David saw his dad sleeping on top of the television. And he said, "Dad, what are you doing? Go to bed. Normal people don't sleep on a TV. You have to sleep on your bed. So go to bed, go to bed." And David's dad woke up and said, "Okay," and he walked to his bed. Okay. After a while, David's mom, David's mom was sleeping in her bed, and suddenly she heard a very big noise, and she woke up. "What's that?" she said. "What's that?" she said. And David's mom walked to the kitchen, and David's mom, saw the table, she saw the chair, and she saw the fridge. And on top of the fridge, she saw David. David was sleeping on top of the fridge. And that's the end of the story.